Occult ready ah.
Occult ready ah. Hug the wall lang, hug the wall, hug the wall.
They're coming.
Dechen
They're
comes,
on
okay,
northwest.
Dechen comes.
Okay, come to me east, come to me east. Go back east for now. Go back east, go back east.
They might have to bomb.
Okay, they
Okay,
dismounted
stay.
both.
Don't go inside. Don't go inside yet. Play outside, then we go back. Okay. One
They
tank
dismounted.
look north. One tank look north. One
They're
tank
looking.
look
They're
north.
looking. They're looking.
Dismounted on west.
One tank look north. Okay. Belgax look north side. Vishnu west side. All my DPS now. Hold my DPS. Hug the wall, Ilas. Okay. Shallow northwest. Shallow northwest. I don't know. Wait. Can you CC them? Can you CC them? CC. West shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are we now? Okay, go back now. Go back. Lens. Go back. Ano yun, Bam?
Yeah, bomb.
Shepherd.
Paper
Go back, go back, go back. Go back.
2 seconds.
Okay. DPS get ready.
Ready.
Gagi, ingat man. Go back, hold lang. Delikado man, delikado. Everyone shallow. Shallow southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Okay, good kill. Go back east. Go back. Gala inside of us, ha? Gala. SG, be careful. Tell me ready, Les. First
Ready.
engage on this Gala north. I will mark this Gala. Okay, on the Gala northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Gala. Kill the Gala.
After
After clerical. Okay. Nice one. Kill it one. Good job. Go back. Loot him. We farm them here, okay? Tell me cooldown, Iles. They engage on the front. CC them now. Walk in. Occult to us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the crown. Now, crown. This is speaking the crown. Ay, naka-clerical, man. Go back. Do we have another perma? No.
No.
Gusto mo try
They're
ano,
walking
Cox?
northwest.
JA engage.
They're walking.
Pwede. Tell me cooldown.
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, north now. Ready. Shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north.
They're inching up ah.
Ang bilis ng reflex nila. Gala inside. Demon 1 only. Demon 1, okay? Go
Don't
back.
hold down to Cox.
Okay, hold. Hold lang. Don't overextend ha. Hold lang.
Ready.
May rat.
Hold lang. Hold DPS. Hold DPS. G northwest now.
Layo, pre. Layo masyado, man.
Okay, di engage, okay? Wait. KW. Okay, everyone now shallow. Crown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop on the crown. Crown.
Engage.
Good kill, okay? Kite is now. Get ready, Demon 2. Hold now.
5 second JA Cox.
5 seconds DPS.
5 seconds GA, okay? GA them now northwest. GA northwest now.
Mana.
Okay, west 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the crown.
Layo on the PS.
And occult drop southeast. Occult now. That's very dangerous. This is very dangerous, boys. Peel them now. Peel them. Get ready, Demon now. Get ready. Don't you see it. Get ready, Demon. Counter engage west. Ready?
Ready.
Step up. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone west. Trap west. Clerical again. Putang ina. Ang galing ng reflex nila. Go back. Hold. I need someone to look at the back. Don't use Demon ha. Heal front.
Ready.
D-tank heal. Everyone now. Look deep north now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now on the crown. Nice. Go back. Go back south. Don't go too deep. No one will die on that. Tell me cooldown Iles.
Don't cool down.
Okay. QW. Okay. Okay, shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Hindi ba nastanan yun? If he used Walker?
I can catch him.
Wait. No. Wait. Just hold. Don't follow. Wait for the call. Hold.
JA.
They went inside turret.
Ready.
Hold lang. Can you GA northwest now? GA northwest. Defend. Guys, DPS now. Northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, north now.
Okay. Block ko dito, men. Sige, men.
Okay, go back now. Go back southeast now. Go back southeast. Go back southeast. We farm them. Southeast. Hold.
Ready.
Okay, DPS again. Northwest now on the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the choke. Choke. Good. Go back. Tell me cool down.
Jacket.
Tell me cool down.
5 seconds.
QW.
Ready.
Can someone loot the course? Guys, we need points as well. Don't follow them, don't go inside. A1, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, crown. Okay, go back. Go to the terrace. I go to the castle.
Patay.
Sa likod natin sila. Hinching.
Nasa likod, sige. Stick to ano. Are they following? No.
Yeah.
They're following. They're coming out.
Okay, let them go to the middle. Don't hold them. Let them come. Apor siya. Pwede paluto ko Apor. Para 4 points lang. Hold now my DPS.
On screen away.
Engaging.
Okay, engaging. Can you GA them? Wes? Can you GA them? Occult na. Drop occult west. Ready? Okay, shallow. After this, get on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putang ina, naglag ako. Okay.
Drop inside.
Kilat.
The DGA
Okay, go back. I'm sorry, my bad. I lagged there. Just stabilize. Don't use demon yet, Wait for my call for demon 1.
Ready.
They're looking.
Okay, DPS na. Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you wipe this? This is very big.
Bilis na.
Go back. Okay, go back. The reflex is very good, man.
Don't stop. There's a kingmaker inside Cook.
Okay, careful. Just be careful. Okay, go back. Hold for now. Hold for now. Can you GA West? Can you GA Deep West?
Okay.
Can you GA? Deep West 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop.
Gago. Iba pala yun.
Okay, go back.
Use guard rune for enemy GA.
Hold. Tell me cooldown, Iles.
Ready.
Shallow West 5,
Engage
4,
naman.
3, 2, 1. Ang laki nito man, West. Clerical na naman. Ang ganding ng reflex nila. Sanay sa ano,
There's a
bro.
southwest, kingmaker.
The GA.
Okay, tell me cooldown, Iles. I will do fake. This is fake.
Ready.
Okay, that's fake. Everyone now, shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north. Go back. Okay, ready for demon 1. Keep kiting for now. Keep kiting for now, okay? Keep kiting for now.
Engage
Keep kiting
shallow,
out.
engage shallow.
Engage.
Your
Okay,
defense
demon 1. DPS now, right? Shallow north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Naka-clerical na naman yung putang ina.
Kingmaker.
Ayun mo yan, patay mo yan. Tangina mo, patay mo yan. Gagawin, katakas mo yung gago.
Gago patay.
Eh, hold on. Step up, West. Okay, wait.
Na-loot na yung ano.
Okay, on the van now. Ready? Engage on the van. 5,
Looking.
4, 3, 2, 1. On the van. Grabe, ang galing mag-clerical yung mga putang naman. Okay, jacket.
Maybe you fake then won't engage.
Sige, I will do fake. Try, I will do
Yeah,
fake.
you have second perma.
Which work can you drop on me? Which work? Okay, which work drop on me? West side, Which work drop on me? Northwest.
Ready,
Which work only? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only which work? Okay, this stand. Go back southeast. Lure them a bit. Lure them. DPS shallow west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina west. Naka-clerical yung mga gagi.
Uy, double OC.
Double OC. Oy, demon. For the bomb. Good.
Ready.
Double OC, don't forget. Hold.
Ito.
Ready GA.
Hold. Oh, you guy. Don't overextend. Don't overextend. Be careful. Stabilize for now. Regroup. Don't separate. Don't go too far. Double OC.
Jacob Bacox.
I will do fake now. Which work on me? Northwest. 3, 2, 1. Which work on me? Which work? Okay, they use defensive now. Everyone on Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast muna.
That rock, bro.
Okay, go back. Go back. Don't use demon yet. Don't panic. Chill. Demon 1 only. Keep kiting. Demon 2 up. Demon 2. Good. Counter engage North. North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omi North. Putang ina. Iba yung pero nandun sa kabila. Go south. Stabilize. Okay? Tell me cooldown, Iles. Cooldown.
5 seconds.
Southwest na kayo, position, Iles. Position Southwest.
3 seconds.
Yanto, you're too deep. Yanto. Stabilize mo now. Man, you're separated. We're not clap brawl. Remember that. We're CDR. Hold for now. Okay, wait.
Cooks. I-mount kami mga
Ah.
battle mount. Need mo mag-kite na nga.
Fake.
Ano yan, man?
Kahit daw muna, magre-reset ng battle mount.
Okay, kahit a bit. Kahit muna tayo. Paresetan natin yung battle mount. Kahit. Kahit.
Don't throw too far.
Out na pre.
Okay. Tell me Freddy.
Front. Got kidnapped.
Mounting up na.
Okay, ready?
Sige.
DPS now, west now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West me now. Go back. Kill this one. Nice, we kill one. I think it's okay if we kill one by one. I think it's good.
They're looking deep. Defend.
Demon 1. Everyone counter engage now. Iles, northwest deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop on the crown.
Fucking net.
Okay, go back. Go back.
Pre, hindi na uubos to.
Oo nga. Sige lang. Don't overextend lang. Just don't overextend. Okay, everyone Iles, ready?
Ready.
Okay, northwest shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. This is big. Okay, go back.
They're looking
Get ready, demon. Ha. They will engage you. Far a bit. Tell me cooldown, Iles.
Ready.
Okay, shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Nice. Hold. Food up. Jacket.
5 seconds.
Okay. Hold. Inch up a bit. Shallow me west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only crown. Clerical. Go back kite now southeast. Kite now.
Hodge inside.
Looking there.
Okay.
Engage. Bildax.
Okay, engage. Be careful. Bilgax, you're too deep. Guys, don't go too deep. Okay, occult now. Ready, occult. North now. Deep north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone north now. Okay, go back. Be careful.
They're walking.
Okay. Demon 1. Soak it. Oh my god, ang daming namatay dun.
I die, ah.
Okay. Go back. Keep moving.
Patay.
Keep moving. Keep getting. Nadali tayo dun, man.
Yun na.
Masyado na tayong deep. Counter engage now. Ready? Ay, no. Keep kiting. Heal the front line. Heal the front. Ready. Heal the front. Okay, ready. Counter north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Okay, go to the terry. Keep getting to the terry.
Cooks, you lose mini.
Yeah. Heal the front. Heal the ISO. Heal the ISO.
Get na
Lord.
Cox.
Ay, it's okay, bro. Just go. Defend the def that. Sayang, man. Sorry. Shadow tayong deep. Hold
100
lang.
base na yung ano nila, engage nila. Hindi
Hindi na golem.
Hindi na golem, yung one hand na.
Okay, ready now, ready nga.
Ready.
One reason na.
Okay. DPS ready. Shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow no, Shelly? Oo.
They're looking.
Okay, demon. Good. Cleanse it. Tell me cooldown. Ready? I will mark,
Ready.
I will mark, who's my Wanda? I will mark Wanda. You need to regroup Wanda. You need to regroup on Wanda. I will mark him as, green. Okay, DPS ready? Shallow Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what now? Southwest now?
Coach looking
Is drop. Okay, everyone now get ready. Cleanse. Demon now. Demon again. Demon boys. Jacket on the sword. Jacket on the green.
They're looking.
They're looking now. DPS counter na. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter Southwest now. Okay, again jacket. Hold for now. Don't go too deep.
NDA na lang tayo.
Hold lang. Wala pa tayong perma, man. Enough pa yung DPS pero wala ng perma. Wala tayong setup.
Hold
Hold.
mo lang ko. Binibay tayo palabas.
Hold lang. Don't go out. Hold lang. Ilang namatay sa atin doon sa engage na yun? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6 sa PT2.
8, 9, 10, 11 din namatay sa atin doon. 13,
Yo. I'm gonna bait them, okay? I'm gonna bait them.
No, Naso. Just let them come inside. You know? Let them come inside, Naso. I don't have perma.
Wala na,
Hold lang.
May perma si Ninjax.
May perma? Ay, ayun si perma. Ito, i-mark ko muna si Ninjax as green. You cycle with Ninjax, ha?
May riggers tayo.
Nag-rigger ata sila, man. Asa na sila?
Northwest dismounted.
Okay. Hold lang, Southeast.
They're
Hold lang.
looking.
That's fake.
Fake.
Nothing.
Hold lang. DPS ready. Shallow on me. Perma. Ready. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me.
They're gonna engage.
Naka-recall. Go back.
They're inching up.
Go back. The inching, ha? The inching Southwest.
Bombi Southwest, okay?
The inching Southwest, yeah. Cycle fast. Ready?
Ready.
Engage me. Counter engage now. Walk west. Counter engage Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean Southwest. Drop Southwest. Bam. Demon. Bam.
Bros at the back.
Okay, good. Nice talk. Hold lang. Shallow lang tayo, man. Shallow. Ready for counter, ah. We counter them. We ready for counter. Spread lang. Just engage west over the wall, ah. Wait lang. Engage west over the wall. They will inch up soon. Wait lang. Okay, wait. West over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West over the wall. This is big west. More damage. Nice, we kill it. Go back. Jacket fast. Okay. Wait. Von, can you shallow, Von, with me, Von?
Yeah.
Wait lang. Spread for now. Okay, DPS ready? Shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Kill this one. Okay, go back. Okay, they will engage soon. They will shallow. Be careful. Giga. Don't die in the front. Heal the front line. Counter engage now. Wait. Be careful for bomb. We engage northeast now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omi now. Kill this one.
Fucking clerical.
Yeah, they're so good in their clerical, bro. They are very good in their clerical. Okay, stay inside my DPS. Stay inside my DPS. And get ready. West over the wall, ah. Ready, engage west over the wall.
Ready, ready, DPS.
Wait lang. West over the wall. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West over the wall now.
Nice.
Good kill.
Hodge looking,
Good
Hodge
kill, good
looking.
kill. Good kill. Again. DPS get ready.
3 seconds.
Engage,
one.
engage.
Okay, engage. Step up now. West again. Deep west, deep northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now, deep northwest.
Bambi
Okay,
southwest.
go back.
Okay? Bambi
You're getting
southwest.
stop. Go back inside. Go back inside. Giga, demon. Full demon voice. Full demon and clans. Nice.
Chariot reset.
Delikado yun, men. Tangina. North nga, shallow ito. North shallow. 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill this guy. Ah, ang galing putang ng clerical na yan, man.
They looking for engage.
Yeah. Spread for now. Heal me. Heal the front line.
I love playing 100 Arcane. Fuck that.
My main healer, can you go outside and hug the walls out? My main healer. Everyone now, west over the wall, ah. Engage west over the wall, me. West over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West over the wall now. Kill this guy.
They're Bambi.
Almost, nice one. They are engaging in the north. They are engaging in the north. Heal SGRS in the north side. Heal.
Ready.
Okay, ready, counter engage inside of us. 5,
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. This is weak inside of us. Full drop. Good job. Again, go inside now. They have engaged. Oh my god, they have the bomb. Kill 4. The bomb. Toko win. Again, DPS ready.
Ready,
You have engaged. Get ready.
Ready.
Counter 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone north now. Everyone north. Go back.
Chariot reset.
Spread for now. Ang daming namatay dun. Mag-ingat kayo sa ano. Jacket. Tell me cooldown.
Careful, they're looking gate.
4 seconds.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready. West over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're clamping west. Kaso na silence ako. Go back.
They're looking.
They engage on the show. Be careful ano eh. Ninjax, tell me cooldown Ninjax. Ninjax ready? Okay, west na. Look west. 5. Defend. Giga. Counter west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Big west. Drop.
Nice.
Nice one. We kill a lot. Jacket fast. Okay? Jacket fast.
Cooks, I
Jacket
go out,
fast.
okay? I have to
Don't go out, okay? Don't go out. Okay.
Okay.
Bangkit naso. Hold for now. Wait, I'm gonna loot first. Okay, DPS west shallow. No, northwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only on the crown. This is big. Nice swipe him. Okay, defense. Get ready. Defend. Guys, be careful on the choke. I need one tank. Look north. Look north.
What the fuck?
DPS ready. Tell me cooldown.
5 seconds.
They lose a lot there.
They lose one party there.
They lose a lot there. Hold for now. Wait, I'm gonna loot some shit first.
Fuck, I have so much. I don't even know what to
The
loot.
money.
Okay, wait.
They're inching
DPS
up.
get ready, ah.
Yep.
DPS get ready.
Ready, DPS.
Wait lang. Don't stay in the wall, ah. I need one ditang to look north.
What's looking?
They catch.
That's fake.
Here.
I know. Counter now. Counter northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone west now. Everyone drop in west side. Drop west. Dusty, heal now. Guard runes on the choke, please. Oathkeeper, guard runes on the choke. This is very risky we're doing. You know, they will counter us in the choke. Okay? Hodge looking. Von, can you kidnap them? Okay, ready. Engage in the crown north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, north crown. Okay, go back now. They will engage soon. They will engage soon. Tell me DPS. Tell me DPS.
Ready, DPS.
Okay, counter West. West now. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just trap on the crown. Just trap on the crown. Crown.
Silence.
Silence,
Carry
man.
three
Go
set.
back.
They're looking.
They engage. Demon. Brave. Raven.
Ready, DPS.
Be careful on the Raven strike, man. Counter engage again. Can you engage West over the wall on me? West over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall, West. Nice kill. Again,
North.
DPS ready.
3 seconds.
Okay. Don't go outside. Be careful, We're gonna engage North naman. We change position. I'm gonna engage North. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is big North now. Full wipe North.
Fucking clerical.
Clerical.
They're looking.
Giga, defend. Giga. Just Giga and defend. Giga and defend. Tell me cooldown Ninjax.
8 seconds.
8 seconds. Again, West now over the wall. Wait. No. North over the wall.
Ready.
North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North me now.
Clerical.
The clerical again? Fucking really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the people that have clerical is go front.
DPS ready.
3 seconds.
Okay, West over the wall. 5, 4, 3,
They're looking.
2, 1. West over the wall now. West over the wall. Go back. Nagato. Cleanse. Brimbam, Raven is coming. Raven Bram is coming. Be careful on the choke. Ninjax, timer.
Cooldown.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, wait lang. I'm gonna shallow only. Okay? Wait. No one stay on the choke for now,
North.
No one stay on the choke. Yeah, I know. I'm seeing it. They engaging me. No. Wait. Don't counter yet. West now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full wipe them West. Good job. Go back.
Kingmaker.
Okay? Be careful on the Raven. Be careful on the Raven strike. Okay? Cycle fast. I'm gonna engage one more.
Ready,
Wait. This is fake. Okay, DPS now. Ready? We're gonna engage West again, Wait lang. I-bait ko to sa North.
Battle mount, almost low.
Di shallow. Don't counter yet. West over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West over the wall now.
Cleric.
They're clerical. Go back. Cycle fast.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Ready,
Shallow North. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow North now. Grabe sila mag-clerical, man. Commendable, man.
Sabay.
Utang na nyo.
Wala nang cleric.
They have second party coming west side.
Hold lang.
Ready,
Ready? Hold lang. No. Don't go out. They're baiting us.
Nagko-cooldown ng cleric niya.
What the fuck?
Walang clerical yung enemy. They don't have clerical. Wait lang.
Carry 3 set, okay.
Oh my god, I want to go out already. I have 23 M.
No. They shallow.
Fake.
DPS now. Ready,
Yes.
They ready. I will do fake. This is fake. Okay, everyone na shallow. West, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this carving. Clerical again!
No, cleric.
Okay. Putang na, akala ko naka-clerical na naman.
Matigas lang.
Matigas lang yung kupal.
Oh my god, if they kill me, I'm done for.
Don't go out. How many minutes left? 16. We still have 16 minutes. We're gonna hold them. We need to kill them a bit. If they're gonna come.
Sigma.
Lahat.
Click ka nga. I'm gonna ano.
Hanggang mainte ba to? Ox. Gusto ko to. Hanggang mainte.
Hanggang
Maintenance.
maintenance yung laban. Tangin na, nirigger sila ng rigger. May 16 minutes pa tayo sa OC eh.
Nakanikid
Wait.
na yung isa pre.
Ay, Wait lang.
Bam pala yung maze. Main engage pa rin yung Earth Throne.
May May sila tapos naka-Raven eh. Iles, can you go south a bit, Iles? Yeah. 16 minutes, 16 minutes. Hold. Look where shallow. Wait, after Clerical, west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina west, drop.
They're coming in,
Nice.
they're coming in.
Go back.
Northeast nyo,
Yeah.
northeast.
Go southeast. Peel them. Demon 1 now, Demon 1. Giga, boys. Heal professional. Good soak. I love that.
Spike ka.
Okay, get ready. Counter engage west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone counter west now. Counter west. Good counter, boys. Good counter. We win on that.
3
Jacket
seconds.
fast. Step up a bit. Step up. Step up. Northwest. See, GADM. GA Northwest. GADM. North shallow. 3, 2, 1. Everyone crown now. Crown. Killis. Good. Killis ano? Ito, try mo to.
They're in King of,
North,
right?
try mo to.
They're in King of.
They're looking west.
They're
Side.
looking.
Okay, go back. Eh, di ba? Demon. Raven.
Ready.
Counter engage.
Wait.
Oh, ang bilis nilang mag... Okay, west na. Look northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone crown now.
After GA.
After Clerical. Kill.
Kratos on the back. Low HP.
Okay.
That's mga low HP.
Okay, hold muna. Separate.
Ano tayo? May bastion na sila. Dito, wag tayo dito.
Okay. Go back. Back to Terry. We have 13 minutes. Come to me southeast. Lure them to the Terry again. I mean, lure them to the castle. Hold.
That's it.
Bro.
Come back.
I have 27M, please.
3, 2.
Don't die, bro, ha? If you die, you fucking gay.
Okay, bad, bro.
Okay, boys, get ready. They're inching up. Click inside DPS.
OC break 2 minutes.
Yeah. If 5 minutes, we out. If 5 minutes left, we out, okay? Hold lang. How many DA ba sila? 6 DA?
60.
Kaya tanong mo ba yan?
Click nga muna, Iles. Click ka, hold southeast ka. Hug the wall southeast ka, Iles. Hug the wall south.
They're in King of.
They're looking.
Ay, they're looking. They're inching.
Engage.
Defense first. GA them. Southwest now. Look southwest in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest mo now.
GA.
Then go back. Brimba, Bam. Demon. Just demon.
Okay, I stopped them.
Okay, good. Counter engage now. Cycle, jacket. Tell me cooldown.
5 seconds.
5 seconds, ready?
Ready.
Okay, everyone now. West now. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Ilis. Southwest now. Drop.
Nice.
Everyone southwest.
Nice one.
God one. Nice one. Loot. Push. Don't juicy.
Ang cooldown na.
Okay, long cooldown pa. Mag-loot pa rin ako. Sige
What
lang.
the fuck? Even Cooks is looting. Putang ina.
Ready.
Okay, northwest now. GA them. Set up. GA. Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, crown. Wala akong nahila doon na, pero patayin nyo. Okay, go back.
There's one inside
Kaya
carving.
kami na.
They're in King of, okay? They're engaging.
Sing up. Clans. Giga. Hell the front. Tell me west now. Deep west in 5.
5 seconds.
Okay. Wait. Hold for now.
Ready.
Carving inside. Demon na back.
Ayun na.
Demon na tabak. Oh my god. Daon, namatayan tayo dun. Ilan?
Apat.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Go back.
Okay lang.
Southwest Iles, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this carving. Kill is carving.
Cleric.
They're looking west.
Okay, DPS get ready. Nice. Kill.
They also, yeah.
Hold. Iles, tell me cooldown.
Ready.
Okay, northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DGA after the clerical. Fully drop there. Fully drop. Go back now. Go back fast.
Jesus Christ. I'm overweight.
Uy, Naso, don't ha. Trash fast. Heal the front.
Ready.
We have how many minutes? 10 minutes. We have 5 more minutes to play.
Tayo
Na,
na,
hanggat OC break na to, pre.
Oh. Go back southeast. Don't follow. They have engaged. They have Raven bomb. Their bomb is so fucking good, man, ha. Wait lang. Wait. Lure them. Can you come back? Go back a bit. Lure them. Let them come to us.
Chariot reset, okay.
I will do fake. Okay, southwest to shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy, shallow. Then go back. Go back.
Boom.
They're looking, boys. They're looking, ha? Okay. Drop giga.
Ready.
Counter engage. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Drop southwest. Go back. My bad, dapat di ako nag-counter agad. Sige lang, next time. Again.
Ang ina, kaya pala masagad yung RB nila, third 10 pala.
DPS ready.
Can I get heal?
Shallow north now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only north. Then go back again.
Zombie mode, ah.
They're in southwest, okay?
Go back. Yeah. Elias, tell me cooldown.
But their bomb is in
5 seconds.
northeast.
Okay, we're gonna engage north now.
Oh, they engage.
Heal the front line.
Northeast side marami.
Look southwest over the wall in 5,
Bam.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the bomb. Inside the bus. Nice. DPS get ready.
Kill this.
Kill to Kuyen. DPS get ready, Elias.
5 seconds. 3.
West looking.
3 seconds. Okay.
They engage.
They're looking.
Engage. Counter engage now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone in the crown. Just drop on the crown.
After cleric.
After clerical, more damage. Go back. Baminisay. Oh my god.
We're always getting baited on that cleric.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May DPS pa ba ako? Karon pang half.
Yeah, I still have 5.
Okay, DPS na shallow. Can you go west tower? West tower ka nga, Iles. West tower. DPS west tower. West tower. Follow guys. West tower. Everyone west on the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone crown. After clerical. They will engage yun.
Kingmaker na yung clamper ng bomb.
Yung dito sa
Stay west tower, Iles.
delikado eh.
Stay west tower, ah. Wait lang. West tower again.
Northeast ulit.
West tower, wait.
Nothing.
Everyone, west tower. Okay? Look on the crown. Wait lang. Nag-count. Wala pang countdown. Gagi. 6 minutes na lang.
They
Engage. Everyone, west tower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, west tower. Kill is 1. Okay, nice one. We kill 1.
What the fuck?
Go courtyard now, Iles. Go courtyard now. Go courtyard.
RF no giga life.
Chariot reset.
Okay. Tell me cooldown, ha?
I have
Ready.
no space left.
Ready. North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop north. Then go back. Be careful, ha? Be careful. Giga. Demon.
3 seconds.
Okay. Counter engage west, over the wall.
I don't have.
No, north now. Ready. Look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look north now. Look north. Look north. Ang galing talaga nila mag-clerical nung hinayupak na yan. Okay, defend na.
How you die?
Oo.
Counter engage Wes. One more engage ha. One more engage. Wait.
Ready.
North now.